Hey there's Tony Stone. I'm here with Joey Jr. of Golden State Sportfishing. Hey, what are the things you're not supposed to say about?
Wind. You don't ever say anything about wind.
About wind?
No wind.
And then
Or like
hold my rod.
or I'll give you reach around or reach around me or and all the cute stuff you say.
Hold my rod. How big is it?
Buy yourself a Lunchables, boys. Sponsored by you guys and J-Lopes. And don't bring bananas on the boat either.
Oh, that's number one. Do not bring bananas on the boat.
Bring a banana on the boat.
We'll throw your ass out. Even if you eat the banana, you gotta make it shit first. Oh shit, let's go. Book them.
Just real. Just worry about just real.
Just real.
Oh.
I think this is right for halibut.
Come on, you fat guys, get on the other
Keep
side.
rolling, keep rolling.
We'll hold the camera.
Our last bass. Our last bass.
There it is, in the middle of our video, Joey.
Oh, buddy. Just say bass.
Joey, what do we not say during halibut fishing?
Let's catch sharks. Not my face.
Not my face.
Choro.
Oh my gosh.
Joey knows bait. He's a master at it.
Masturbator. Right here.
Hey, Jack, right there.
Here, Cletus, come on. Here.
This is what happens, you guys, when you
It just
let
hits.
the fish eat.
Yeah.
Let them eat. They'll hang themselves.
Ah.